Hello everyone and welcome to first year biology BO 101 at the University of Galway. Our aim and the aim of this module is to deliver excellent research-led teaching across 4 topics including biochemistry, microbiology, zoology and botany and plant science. My name is Dr. Maria Barrett and I am the coordinator and your contact person for semester 1 for BO 101. Dr. Rosella Parota is your contact person for any queries you may have relating to biochemistry topic, and I am the contact person for microbiology if you have any queries or questions regarding that topic. Dr. Liam Morrison is your contact person and coordinator for semester 2. Professor Louise Alcock is your contact person for any queries you may have regarding zoology. Dr. Zoe Popper is your contact person for botany and plant sciences, and Dr. Peter McKeown is your contact person for botany and agri-biosciences. So in addition to myself and Liam, you also have supports from our administrative colleagues. So in semester 1, Caroline O'Connell is your administrative support, and in semester 2, Susan Gallagher is your administrative support. So you can email all queries to them at biology@universityofgalway.ie. So this includes any medical certs or lens reports or anything you might make us aware of if you have any leaves for any particular reason or anything at all, or anything that you think we may need to be aware of going forward. So your first lecture for BO 101 takes place on Tuesday the 16th of September at 9 a.m. So based on the class size of BO 101, you're divided into 2 groups from the following programs. So Group 1, all general science students, agricultural science and marine science. And Group 2, students of all other programs. So earth and ocean science, environmental science, biopharmaceutical science, biotechnology, occupational health and safety management, mathematical science, genetics and genomics, geography and geosystems, and biomedical science. So your lecture venues for Group 1 will be in Kerwin or O'Flaherty Theatre, main concourse. Group 2 will be in the Anderson Lecture Theatre or the Computer Science Building. So as I outlined, your first BO 101 lecture takes place on Tuesday the 16th of September at 9 a.m. Group 1, your lectures will be in Kerwin and O'Flaherty. Group 2, Anderson and the Computer Science Building. Please check your Biology 101 manual that's available on Canvas for further details and details of your lecture topics and your lecturers. And again, please check Canvas throughout the year for additional information for semester 2. So in addition to attending your lectures, you will also be expected to attend your laboratory practical sessions. And these will be held in the biology laboratory at the Smokies end of the concourse, so the furthest end of the concourse, so SC 200. So in advance of beginning the practicals, your biochemistry practicals will be your first set of practicals beginning the week of Monday the 29th of September. You will be assigned a lab number. You will attend one of the following practical sessions as assigned, so Wednesday from 2 to 4 or half 4 till half 6, Thursday from 2 to 4 or half 4 to half 6, or Friday half 9 to half 11 a.m. or 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. So as you will appreciate, due to the size of the BO 101 class and due to limited seating capacity, any request to change from your allocated session to another cannot be accommodated unless there is a timetable clash. We also ask that you attend on time to avoid disrupting your colleagues and indeed your lecturers when they're giving your pre-practical talk. And I will ask you to keep checking Canvas for any information or announcements. So with regards to your BO 101 assessment, each semester is examined separately, so 50% for semester 1 and 50% for semester 2. The overall pass mark for science is 40%, and the biology BO 101 module comprises 15 credits of the 60 credits required to complete first science. So overall, the end of semester's written exams are worth 60%, and your continuous assessment, or CA, is worth 40%. You must score greater than 35% to pass the module, and any less than this will involve you resitting the module next year. For example, in semester 1, the formal end of semester exam is an MCQ comprising of 100 questions, 50 of these from biochemistry and 50 from microbiology. It's worth 30% of the overall total BO 101 marks. The assessment of practical content will be included in the end of semester MCQ, so 30 questions relating to the practicals, 15 for biochemistry and 15 for microbiology. During the year, there will be 4 continuous assessment MCQs delivered on Canvas based on the lecture content, 2 for biochemistry and 2 for microbiology. These continuous assessments will be worth 20% of the student mark. I would advise you to have a look at the BO 101 Introduction Manual for a full outline of all of the breakdowns for CAs for Semester 1 and Semester 2. So it's your responsibility and duty to have a good look at all of your important dates and deadlines and to note them in your calendar. For example, your first CA, your first online CA in Semester 1 relating to your biochemistry lectures will be an online MCQ ran on Canvas worth 3%, running from the 29th of September to Friday the 3rd of October. So it's really important that you keep an eye on all these dates and have a look at your BO 101 Introductory Manual, which outlines all the important dates relating to your online MCQs, and pop them in your diary and make sure that you don't miss any important CAs. So one of the questions that we get asked every year is, does it matter that I did or didn't do Leaving Cert Biology? And the simple answer is no. If you did do Leaving Cert Biology, you'll find that the syllabus that we cover is very different. We cover things in more depth and in deeper detail. You will learn lots of new and interesting things surrounding topics that you may have just brushed on during Leaving Cert Biology. If you didn't do Leaving Cert, you'll find that we teach from the basics, so foundation level, and work your way up, so you're not at a disadvantage going in. The one piece of advice that I can give every student in BO 101 is attend all your lectures and take notes during them to help you revise. Some of the content that you cover in the lecture, if you don't take notes, you won't remember 2 days from now. So it's very important that you take these notes in your own writing and in your own style to help you revise. It sounds incredibly simple, but there's a key correlation to students attending their lectures, taking notes and doing well in their exams. And we hope that for all of the students in BO 101. So I would encourage you to reach out to us at biology@universityofgalway.ie if you have any queries, questions or concerns. Email us any medical certs or any information regarding prolonged absences or anything that we may need to be aware of to help you get through the academic year. In addition to our supports, there's further supports available, such as Denise McBride is the Student Success Coach for GY 30101 and her contact details are there. And Kelly Moore is the Student Support Officer in the College of Science and Engineering. So I do encourage you to reach out to them if you need any help or any further guidance. I've just included some links also that maybe help and give you some guidance and some tips for incoming first years into University of Galway and into BO 101. Additionally, I've included the link for the first year College of Science and Engineering student handbook that may answer some questions or queries, or indeed questions that you mightn't have yet but will have during the academic year. So I'd encourage you to have a look at some of these links. And finally, from myself and all my colleagues that deliver content on BO 101, we wish you all the best and enjoy your first year here at the University of Galway as our class of 25 and 26.